Hey guys, this Kevin Auto Insider here. So I promised to bring you an episode on how we fix the AWD right on Subaru. In Africa or in Kenya, we call it Subaru Yamabaru. Okay, Subaru. Remember, this is a very special feature that Subaru came up with. So I'm going to show you how we fix this whole issue. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. This is Auto Insider. So I have flipped this camera to show you the right. This is what we call the AWD right. And once you are every time you are driving a Subaru, then it shows this AWD right. So you will notice that this car is running on two wheel. Okay. So if it shows AWD right when you're driving, that means the car is driving on two wheels only. But when you return this fuse, so you need to go back to the fuse box, and the card or the fuse box number is written AWD. So this where I've pointed there, if you put a fuse there, it's going to illuminate AWD right. That means the car is running on two wheels, the front wheels only. Okay, but if you want to engage the four wheel, you'll just remove and it will run on four wheel, which is full time. Remember to subscribe. Thank you.